My name's Jason McBride. I'm here today at Land Rover Jaguar, Carlsbad, California to train the porters.
Always make sure you're not spraying the cleaner on a hot wheel. You saw how much dirt came off that tire? If you use the degreaser on the tire, the tire will dry with like a brown color. This bug off remover actually has enzymes in it that will break down the protein and the bugs. You can actually see them right here. It's starting to melt away already. So when you see like the little elements that are on the car, they're not going to scratch. It's going to work way better than the brush. Your customer's going to get way better results out of it. You just have to be careful because it hits the plastics with it, it scratches it up. Oh, it'll scratch it so fast. So you have to be careful with using that because it's going to strip all the protection off the car. This will help take sheets of the water off, and then you're going to condition all your rubbers, plastics, brighten them up. I normally wait till the very end to dress my tires right before you pull it up to the customer. That way the tires look nice and shiny. So when you're doing your door jams, you want to get all around, even underneath the door, kind of important, because a lot of customers will get in and run their fingers underneath the door, and you did everything else, but you missed that spot. Let's pull this one out, get another one in here, yeah? I think we're good to go.